Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add a submit button in Google Form. In order to do so, here we are at docs.google.com. And if you're looking for the forms, up on the left-hand corner where you can see the three lines here, if we click on that, then you're going to see here the option that says forms. So we can go ahead and click on that there, and that is going to bring you to the form section of Google Docs. You can start a new form by clicking here. And what we're going to do is I've already got a form that we've got started here. So if you look, when you've put in your question and you put in your answers, you're wondering, where is the submit button? Well, the submit button is going to be added by default. If we go up here to the preview option, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see this is the preview of how the question is going to appear to whoever is filling out the form. And you can see here the submit button is clearly visible. So don't worry about the submit form and adding that. As long as you are putting in your questions and your answers, then that submit button is going to be added automatically. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find links to our X page where we're posting AI content on a regular basis. Please join us there. We'd be happy to have you. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as our top AI tool recommendations, including Roamless eSIM. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.